Dad, Ruben. I am married. I know you all are relieved to hear that. My wife is a cat person. I am a dog person. I keep telling her she's just cooking it wrong. I want to assure you that no dogs or cats were injured in the telling of that joke. I feel privileged to be here tonight. I suppose by my skin color, you can see the major reason I feel privileged. I know, that's a risky joke. I have other reasons that I feel privileged, but they pale in comparison. Or is it the other way around? I took the bus to get here tonight, but I don't want you to worry. I'll return it before they notice it's missing. In the romance department, and who doesn't care about an old geezer's romance department, huh? My wife is into spooning. Spooning, that's where you lay on your side and you cuddle. It's very romantic. I'm much more into forking. Now, I don't want you to worry that I'm a creepy guy as well. It's not that I have to have sex. It's just a knife to have. See what I did there? Did you notice? Those are the 3 major utensils that we use every day. I used to have a line in there about a salad fork, but I decided to toss it. I thought that deserved a rim job. Ooh, I meant rim shot. I'm sorry. I made that mistake a couple weeks ago when my wife was at the show. She gave me such a tongue lashing. When I joined my current company, they wanted to give me a drug test. Can you believe it? I said, hey, there's no need for that. I already know what I like. I like you back there. They say the grass is always greener on the other side, which is how I found out my gardener is colorblind. I came home last week and I found my gardener with my hoe. I told her, get dressed, get off the gardener, and get in the house. You're grounded. I grounded her for 2 weeks. The first week was because she had sex with the gardener. The second week was because she didn't get me a discount. Did you know that his dad, had big plans to build the tallest apartment building in New York City? And things were going great, but then he pulled out at the last minute. I know you can see this one coming. I really wish he'd done that more often. I recently took up aerial photography. I hope she won't find out. I know. Did you hear about the statistician that got into the car accident? Poor thing. She ran into the median. Yeah. It wasn't even a difficult part of the highway. It was just a normal curve. I know, that joke seems sort of mean. But I think it's just kind of average. Did you hear about the advertising executive that decided to go into the sex toy business? Now all he plugs his butts. Starkist fired its advertising executive. He wanted to change the name of Charlie the Tuna to Freddie Mercury. I know, they can't all be great. All right. I want to leave you with this final thing. This takes a lot of physical energy on my part, but this is Louis C.K.'s favorite dance move. All right, a lot of stretching involved here. Here we go. That's jizz hands.